Hello, welcome to Linless World. Today I got something for our car. It's a dash camera for the front and back. So let's unbox this now. It's by Crosstour. It's full HD and it has 170-degree wide angle. And the screen is 3-inch LCD. It also got motion detection. I got my memory card here. So we're going to install the memory card. Okay, the memory card goes in here on the side of the main camera. The USB cable plugs in here. Alright, since it's USB, I just plugged it in here. And then I just want to test it out or do the settings over here.
Days later.
Wow.